making a video. I'm going to teach Georgie how to become accustomed to noises. So this blender makes a lot of noise, and I'm first going to let her just get acquainted with the machine and its parts. And when she investigates them, I'll reward her. That's a good girl. Here you go. She's liable to think they're a toy. Begin to play with them. Good. That's a good girl. Make sure it's turned off completely. I'm going to turn it on. And so, I'm going to activate it and making the least amount of noise once she's acquainted with it. Find it. Georgie, find it. There's another one right here. Oh, you're too patient. That's a good girl. Alright, so I'll lead her a ways to put in a little bit of distance. That's it. Gonna get the noise going a little bit. There you go. Georgie, sit. That's good. Oh, you're gonna lay right down. Sit. Yes. Down. Good girl. There you go. So now there's a little bit of movement in there, but the noise is really what I want her to become accustomed to. So I'm going to increase the noise level as I distract her. That is really good. Get it. Good girl. Georgie. Nice. Nice. Get it. Georgie. Nice girl. Sit. Yes. Sit. Oh, that's good. That's good. Yes. Stand. Yep. That's very good. Increase the distance a little bit again. Get it. You crank up the noise a bit. She doesn't show any signs of reacting with fear to this. If she did, I would slow down. But she's doing just fine. There you go. Now just keep increasing it a little bit. That's a good girl. Georgie. Nice girl. Sit. Yes. Good girl. So we'll keep her. Now that was the first time she stopped and looked at it at all. So I'm going to spend a little time here. Down. Good. In fact, I'm going to lower it some. Give her a chance to get used to it again. She had hesitated and backed off just a little and glanced at it. And I don't want her to become fearful. So I lessen the intensity. There's a lot of food here, isn't there? Good girl. You offer it down, huh? Good. Come to me. Spin. Yeah, good. Spin. Oh, that's so good. Spin. Beautiful. Sit. Oh, you went down again. You like the down better than the sit, huh? Get it. So now I'm going to work the sound intensity back up. Get it. Good. Get it. Good. Give me a spin. Oh, you thought I was throwing it. Georgie. Oh, you thought I threw it again. I got to slow down my cue so she knows what it is. There it is. That was my fault that I was going too fast. Good. Get it. Georgie, sit. Yeah, that's my good girl. Down. Nice, Georgie. Sit. Oh, it's perfect. Bounce right up. Give me another spin. That's a good girl. That's a lot of noise. Georgie. Good. That went up faster than I intended. But I dodged the bullet. She seems to be just fine. Good girl. That's a good girl. So that's enough for now, and I'll come back to it in a few minutes and crank up the sound even more. You ready? You get a jackpot. You get a jackpot. Good girl. Get it.